Hey everyone, Matt here. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or you're looking to upgrade, energy-efficient homes have become one of the hottest topics in real estate. Why? Because who doesn't want to save on energy bills while reducing their environmental footprint? So, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through what you need to know when it comes to energy-efficient homes, what features to look for, the benefits, and even a few tips on how to make your current home more efficient. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about what actually makes a home energy efficient. So when you hear the term energy efficient, we're talking about homes that are designed to use less energy without sacrificing comfort. The key features include insulation. Proper insulation needs to keep the heat in during the winter and out during the summer, reducing your need for heating and cooling. Energy efficient windows. Double pane or triple pane windows prevent air from escaping, reducing the load on your heating and cooling system. Energy Star appliances. These are appliances use less water and electricity, cutting down on utility bills. Solar panels. Probably deserves its own video, but for now we're just going to see more and more homes are using solar to generate electricity, which can drastically reduce or even eliminate your electric bill. Smart thermostats. These let you control your home's temperature remotely, and they learn your habits to optimize your energy use. So all these elements work together to reduce energy consumption, making the home more sustainable and less costly to maintain. So why should you consider an energy efficient home? There's a few key benefits. There are, of course, cost savings. The biggest and most immediate benefit is saving money. Energy efficient homes typically have lower utility bills, sometimes as much as 20% and more savings annually. Comfort. These homes have better air quality and temperature control, making them more comfortable to live in. Resale value. Energy efficient features are becoming more desirable, so when it's time to sell, these homes can command a higher price. The environmental impact. And of course, by using less energy, you're reducing your carbon footprint, which is great for the planet. So whether you're looking for lower costs or you're passionate about sustainability, energy efficient homes just make sense. But how do you know if the home you're interested in is energy efficient? So here's a few things to look for. One is the Energy Star certification. This is one of the easiest ways to know a home meets strict energy efficiency standards. LEED certification. This is another certification, though less common for residential homes. It means the home was built or remodeled with sustainability in mind. Solar panels. Again, obviously homes with solar panels are designed to lower your energy use. Ask about the HERS score. This is the home energy rating system. And the lower the score, the more energy efficient the home is. If you're not sure how to evaluate these features, that's where I come in. As your realtor, I can help you navigate the market and find homes with the right certifications and energy efficient features. Now, if you're not looking to move just yet, but want to make your current home more efficient, there are several easy upgrades you can do. Upgrade your insulation. Adding or improving your home's insulation can drastically reduce energy loss. Install energy efficient windows. Replacing older windows with energy efficient ones can help cut down your heating and cooling costs. Switch to LED lighting. LED bulbs use about 75% less energy than incandescent bulbs and last a lot longer. Seal air leaks. Check for drafts around doors and windows and seal them with weather stripping or caulk. Install a smart thermometer. As I mentioned earlier, these thermostats can automatically adjust your home's temperature based on your habits, saving you money without sacrificing comfort. If you make even a few of these changes, you could see noticeable reductions in your energy bills. One of the ways that I personally contribute to our community is through volunteer work with the Community Weatherization Coalition, or CWC. The Community Weatherization Coalition is a grassroots community coalition made up of citizens, religious leaders, and NGOs concerned about the county's citizens spending a large percentage of their income on their home energy bills. So our mission is to help our neighbors save energy and water and reduce their utility bills. We do that by engaging volunteers, building community, and learning together. The CWC developed over several years, starting with faith-based community and kind of evolved into a collaboration of nonprofits, government, faith-based business, and university partners working together to address an unmet need within Alachua County. So the purpose of bringing this into the conversation is to offer the opportunity for local citizens to take advantage of our home energy tune-up program. The CWC Home Energy Tune-Up Program works with homeowners and renters throughout Alachua County to perform free home energy tune-ups. Since 2008, we've helped over 1,800 families save hundreds of dollars each year on their utility bills. Your energy tune-up begins with our professionally trained volunteer energy coaches performing a comprehensive survey of your home. Our energy coaches work alongside residents to review how energy and water are used in the home and to recommend money-saving changes. Research shows this work saves residents an average of $200 to $300 a year on utility costs per home and shows persistent savings of over 10% per year after 3 to 5 years. During our visit, hands-on changes are made to the home. These include installation of energy-efficient light bulbs, water-saving shower heads, and pipe insulation for water heaters and AC units. Our energy coaches will also sit down with the resident to review their utility bill and provide individualized, helpful tips to save even more. Our program emphasis is on helping lower-income families and decreasing the utility burden costs of those who most need it while conserving our planet's natural resources. If you're interested in receiving a free home energy tune-up, just fill out the online tune-up application below. I'll drop a link in the notes below. Energy-efficient homes are a fantastic way to save money, increase comfort, and reduce your environmental impact. So whether you're looking to buy an energy-efficient home or want to make upgrades to your current home, I'm here to help. I have access to homes that feature these energy-saving options and connect you with professionals to help you improve your home's efficiency. If you're interested in learning more, feel free to reach out, leave a comment below, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you never miss any tips on real estate, Gainesville living, and energy efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.